to see Mcrae looking like he's getting ahead. He's going to come down to the jump. Mcrae will jump just before Makinen splashes. And this is spectacular from Mcrae on the very inside. First gear hairpin. Makinen slightly longer round the outside. That second gear probably. Now they look like they're neck and neck, but Mcrae's about to go over a bridge as Tommi Makinen goes under the bridge.
We'll see the split time in a moment. There'll be different times though. There's Colin into the mud, going round that hairpin bend there. Colin Mcrae 46 seconds, Tommi Makinen 49 seconds, 3 seconds between them.
But now this is when Makinen's going to start catching. Of course, Mcrae's the one with nothing to lose.